Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. This is Fredrick, the head English teacher at SAA Global in Singapore. Today, I want to talk about how to order lunch in Singapore, Domino's Pizza. In your country, you have Domino's. In my country, we have Domino's. But I'm asking you to order Domino's Pizza in English. So first we have to decide on the size of the pizza. We have what's called a personal pizza, which is a 6-inch pizza, 4 slices. For me, it's not enough. After that, we have a regular size pizza, which is 9 inches, and that's 6 pieces. That's perfect for a nice lunch for me. But if you want to do a large pizza, that's 8 slices, and that's a 12-inch pizza. That's usually good for 2 people. If for myself and a friend, I do an extra large pizza. That's 15 inches and 8 large slices. After that, you have to decide what type of crust you want on your pizza. Remember, the crust is the dough that gets flattened out. You can do a hand-tossed pizza. I like a hand-tossed pizza. It's medium thickness, medium crust around the edge. You can do a New York pizza. New York pizza, the centers can be a little flatter, very flat, and then you have a thick outer crust. I don't like it because it flops around. What's very popular in Singapore is what's called a cheesy burst pizza. Basically, imagine a pizza, you put cheese on it, then you put another pizza dough on top. So you sort of got like a American-style quesadilla, or you might say like a grilled cheese sandwich, but it's a pizza. What's gotten popular lately was called a cheesy crust pizza. Just imagine your hand-tossed pizza, but at the edge of the crust, they put cheese inside. So you have like your own round cheese crust. I don't really like it because it's usually dry or no solid by the time I'm ready to eat it. After that, you gotta choose a sauce. There's plenty of sauces. You can choose your own. Then all the toppings. Now, there's one last thing you must do. If you're a student, you want to save money. If you're not a student and you're studying here but you're married or you have a big bank account, you have a different style. All-time favorite is the cheapest pizza because it has the least amount of ingredients. The mid-price pizzas are called classic. They have extra ingredients. And then first-class pizza have the most ingredients. So that's how you speak English in Singapore to get that pizza. See you next time.